Hi guys, I received an order to design a tiny house with an area of 35 square meters. Let's see what came out of it. Initially, the customer wanted to build a house for short-term rent. An important requirement was that the house to be compact, because their house is located on a very small plot of 132 square meters. We came to the conclusion that it would be a studio with an open space. It must have large stained glass window. The customer also wanted to add a sauna and an outdoor shower to the layout. As a result, the house turned out to be 10 by 4 meters. The total area of the building is 35 square meters. The design solution for the facades was quite simple. Minimalistic white walls with black windows and doors, as well as a flat roof with half-meter overhangs. Small wooden terraces were added near the entrance groups. Actually, you can see how it all looks below. Enjoy watching. This is how this project turned out. What do you think? For what price can you rent out such a house? Write your opinion in the comments. It will be interesting to read. Also, please like and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss new videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.